Question number 5, you can solve. Then question number 6. In an election, two candidates A and B contested. A got 60% of votes. The total votes polled were 8,000. Okay. How many votes did each get? So in election, candidates are A and B. A got 60% of votes. As you know, total quantity of anything is 100%. Okay, so let total votes are 100%. Okay, so A got 60%. So votes that B got 100 minus 60%. So B got 40% of votes. Okay, now 8,000 votes total casted. So votes that A got equals to 60% of 8,000. 60% of 8,000. So 60% means upon 100 into 8,000. So 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 6 into 8, 8 6 is 48, then 2 zeros. So A got 4,800 votes. Simply for B, 40% of 8,000. Like this you can calculate, and 3,200 will be required answer. One more thing which you can do here, total votes casted 8,000, out of which A got 4,800. So you can subtract directly. You will get the same answer. It's up to you whether you are solving by this or this. Okay, if you are solving by this, so this one is not required. But if you are solving by this, so this one is required. Then question number 7, same is there. Then question number 8 is also same. You can solve. 75% Sita got out of total of 800. So how many marks did she lose? That you can solve easily. Then question number 9. A shop worth rupees 25,000 was insured for 95% of its value. How much would the owner get in case of any mishappening? Okay, so total value of that shop was rupees 25,000. Then insured for 95% of its value. Then how much would the owner get in case of any mishappening? So simply you will find 95% of total worth, total value. So 95% of rupees 25,000. Then 95% can be written as 95 by 100. Of stands for multiplication. Rupees 25,000. So 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now 95 into 250. 95 into 250. So simply multiplying 95 and 250, your answer is rupees 23,750. So this much rupee, this much amount he will get in any case of mishappening. Okay. Then question number 10. In a class, 30 boys are there and 25 girls are there. What is the percentage of boys in the class? So simply, as you know, 100% are there total for a quantity. So now we want to know that what is the percentage of total boys. So the first thing is that in a class, as you know very well, number of boys and number of girls are the total strength. So 30 boys and 25 girls. So the total strength is 55 students. So now we want to know about boys. So the percentage of boys in a class equals to number of boys 30 divided by total student, that is 55 into 100. Okay, so 5 6 are 5 11 is. Then further 6 into 100, 600 divided by 11. Okay, so 600 divided by 11% is the final value here. If you want to convert that in decimal form, you can convert. So if you are converting, if you are dividing 600 by 11, so 54.54 54.54% will be required answer. And if you don't want to solve this further, this can be written over there. Okay, so now question number 11, same question as question number 1 2 3, and question number 12 is same as question number 4. So you can solve this exercise.